Today we're going to talk about kiwi fruit. I'm going to show you how we eat these traditionally in New Zealand and a couple of different ways to peel and slice them. And lastly, I'm going to show you how we can turn them into a beautiful garnish. Welcome back! Hi, I'm Taryn. Welcome to my kitchen studio. This is where I like to have fun with food and teach others simple cooking tips and tricks. As I was saying earlier, today I'm going to talk about kiwi fruit. I'm going to show you how we eat these traditionally in New Zealand and also how to peel and slice them. And lastly, a wee garnish. Some places overseas call these kiwis, but here in New Zealand we're Kiwis, the people. So these are known as kiwi fruit. They come in 3 different varieties. There's the green ones, there's gold ones, which are quite sweet, and then there's a new variety that's come out, a red one, and I've yet to try that. If you find this helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So here in New Zealand, the way most people would eat a kiwi fruit is to cut it in half through this fat bit here. And then we simply scoop out the flesh. In fact, when you buy some kiwi fruit, they come with this dinky little knife spoon. It's got the sharp knife edge on the one side, well, sharpish, it's only plastic, and a little scoopy bit on the other side. And it's so good for putting in a lunchbox. Kiwi fruit are also really popular sliced and put on top of a pavlova. A lot of people will cut them and peel them like this. They'll cut off the top and the tail and then simply run the knife following the contour of the kiwi fruit from the top to the bottom and work your way around the edge like that. And then you can slice that, or you can cut it into wedges or dice it, just depends what you are using it for. I'll just do a few slices from this one. So you can see these little slices here have got some straight edges. It's almost looking octagonal. So I'm going to show you another way to peel a kiwi fruit, keeping it round like it is in its peels. So again, we're going to cut off the top and the tail. Make sure you've got a nice ripe kiwi fruit. If it's still unripe and hard, this doesn't work so well, but it doesn't taste that good either. So you may as well just wait until it's slightly soft when you push it. Then run a little groove down like that, lengthways from the top to the bottom, and slide in the edge of a spoon. This is just a dessert spoon. Slide it in and just slowly work your way around the kiwi fruit. Oops. If it slips off, just start again. And if you've missed any little bits like I have here, just trim them off with a knife. And then when we cut this, you'll see how nice and round the edges are. Here you can see the difference. The one where I have used a knife to peel it, and the other where I have used a spoon. And lastly, I'm going to show you this really simple kiwi fruit flour. We're going to top and tail it again to give it a nice flat base. And then we simply stick our knife in on a zigzag sort of pattern here. So I'm just going to stick the tip in. I'm using my finger there as a bit of a guide, and we're going to zigzag our way around the middle of the kiwi fruit here. This looks really great on a fruit platter or even a meat platter with the beautiful green flesh and the vibrant black seeds. You can see I'm keeping my finger on the knife there. And as soon as my finger touches the flesh, I know I've gone deep enough. Once you've gone all the way around, just simply give it a wee pull, and there's our little kiwi fruit flour. Some people get a lot more elaborate with these, but I think keeping it simple looks great. I've got some meringues here and some whipped cream. So I'll show you how we can use our kiwi fruit to garnish these meringues. I'm going to just put a little bit of whipped cream on top of each one. Our slices of kiwi fruit are a little bit big to go on here, so I'm going to cut those in half. Stick it in there. And I've got some raspberries and strawberries and a wee bit of passion fruit just to give these some colour. Give it a little piece of strawberry and a wee drizzle of passion fruit. We can also dice up some kiwi fruit. A little pile of diced kiwi fruit on top. Doesn't the kiwi fruit add a nice bit of colour to these meringues? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Now you know how to peel, cut and enjoy your kiwi fruit.